How to pause Instagram Reels without holding. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to pause Instagram Reels without holding your finger on the screen? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, you will need to update Instagram to its latest version. For that, you can watch my video on how to update Instagram. The video link is provided in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once updated, open Instagram on your device. By default, you will be on the home page. Tap on the Reels tab available at the bottom. With the latest update, you can now pause the Instagram Reels with just a single tap. Simply tap anywhere on the highlighted area and that specific reel will pause without needing to hold your finger on the screen. You can resume playing the reel anytime by tapping the play button. You can also mute or unmute the sound while the reel is paused. Similarly, you can pause any other reel the same way. And there you have it. You have successfully paused Instagram Reels with just a single tap without holding your finger on the screen. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.